Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga has called on the church to become a beacon of hope and integrity in a society grappling with social dislocation and moral decay. Sarabira mashoko buda panguwa ino chonekwa Constantino Chiwenga wachiti lead with integrity, compassion. Don't forget subscribe or like also on the bell icon. Tipina panguwa ine mashoko antagwa na General Mudanyura chiti. He made the remarks yesterday during the ordination of 13 Roman Catholic priests in Harare. The call to action comes at a critical time when many communities are struggling with rising crime rates and the erosion of social values. In quotes, in your ministry, your voice will now carry great influence. Use it to shape the moral and ethical standards in our communities, said VP Chiwenga. In an era marked by social dislocation and moral ambiguity, your example can foster values such as integrity, justice. I urge you to take an active role in confronting some of the pressing issues afflicting our society, especially the scourge of drug and substance abuse. This pandemic is decimating our youth and corroding the fabric of our families. As spiritual leaders, we are uniquely positioned to provide hope, counsel, and transformative guidance. Be courageous, speak out, engage, build partnerships that restore human dignity and promote community resilience. He urged the newly ordained priests to embody values such as justice and compassion, drawing inspiration from the biblical passage, Matthew 5:14. I would like to say, as you step into this sacred role, be patient with yourselves, with your parishes, and with the often mysterious timing of divine providence. Let us support these newly ordained shepherds, not only with our prayers, but also with the practical encouragement, fellowship, and mutual respect. The church thrives when its clergy and laity journey together in mission and purpose. Tomashoko antagwa na VP Constantino Chiwenga panguwa ino ayo vachinkareja vanhu ayo kwese kumachechi ayo panguwa ino vachiri lead with integrity and compassion. Nakome section medu kuti mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi. Nakome section medu musaona subscribe or like chitombe bell icon.